Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 28 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School this past week, including the opportunity for sixth graders to visit for Transition Day. We'll have a busy week coming up this week as well. We will be starting our fourth 9 weeks. This is the final term of the school year, which means that grades will go home on Tuesday of this week. Also on Monday of this week, we'll have an admin team meeting, and on Monday and Tuesday, we will be doing the Terrace Metric Screener for grade 7. We will have an alternate schedule on Tuesday, which is also Pi Day. We're going to work to have some extra BPI time, and students will also get to enjoy having breakfast in our cafeteria again. On Wednesday, it is Mrs. High's birthday, so happy early birthday to Miss Mindy High. On Thursday and Friday, it is the 4-H Summit. The SMS Dental Van will also be here on Thursday. On Friday, it's Bring It Friday. And on Thursday, students who are the final Amazing Shake students, those top 3, Lane Moran, Hadley Singer, and Bobby Applegate, will be traveling to Atlanta to compete in the Global Amazing Shake competition. So we're wishing those students good luck as they depart for that competition on Thursday of this week. We do want to take a moment and spotlight Kevin Alfrey today. He is going to be our student spotlight for this week. He is a 7th grade student and a Green Monkey team member. This weekend, he scored his personal best of a 282 at the Glenn Marshall State Ready Shoot. This is his first year on the archery team. He also shoots a compound bow for our local 4-H shooting sports, and he is involved at the youth group at Tollsboro Christian Church. So we're really proud of you, Kevin. Congratulations. It sounds like this is a personal best, and we hope to see some more amazing things out of you in the future. So way to bring it. Just a few upcoming things, parents, to remind you of. The father-daughter dance is about 2 months away. If you would like to attend, it's open to all students, grades preschool through 8th. You can go ahead and pay for your tickets. You can send that money to Simons Middle School. It is $10 a ticket. That is on May the 13th, and it's going to be from 6 to 8. Also, we do still have yearbooks on sale. Those are $22, and you can send money to the office, to Mrs. Pauletta, to purchase a yearbook. Those will be handed out to everyone prior to us releasing for summer break. And also, if you haven't heard already, we are planning to have a school-wide community Easter egg hunt. And we are asking for parent volunteers and for community volunteers to allow students to be on property and maybe even help us hide eggs and take small student groups around town. This is going to be our Blitz Day event for the month of March, and it is going to be the only, hopefully, announced Blitz Day event that we have. So students, I hope you have all of your ICU work turned in, because this one's going to be a lot of fun. We do want to take a moment today to recognize our Achieve 3000 Leaderboard students. On Monday, congratulations to Dale Eddington. Tuesday, JC Robinson. Wednesday, Daniel Allen. Thursday, Zippy Pilot. Friday, Marley Murphy. The 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try. Congratulations. In 7th grade, Gabby Lear with 6 activities, and Daniel Allen in 8th grade with 9 activities. And our weekly top scorer was Daniel Allen. So we do have some movement on this Alex leaderboard. I do believe that Kaylee Rogers this week completed 8th grade math. So congratulations to you, Kaylee. And we have lots of students who are starting to reach that 85% threshold. So those students hopefully will be moving to the next content soon. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, students.